Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your speaker JBL Grip. You have to start by open JBL Portable application. Of course your speaker should be connected with the app and then the application open for you speaker menu. You need to scroll down and go to product information at the bottom. Right here we have software, so you need to tap at this line if nothing happened, meaning that you have the latest software version. And if you haven't, it will open for you update menu and you need to click update at the bottom. And then wait until this update finished, don't close the application, don't use your speaker, just wait for it at something like 2, maybe 3 minutes. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.